You're gonna love the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. The all-new Silverado delivers smart technology, advanced safety features, improvements in bed and cargo design, and a refined level of comfort. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: backup camera, 8-cylinder engine, Bluetooth connection, Wi-Fi hotspot, alarm, rear-wheel drive, stability control, running boards, side steps, split bench seat, diesel. Control the job without sacrificing comfort or connectivity. Get into the all-new Silverado.